Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as you can see on the screen that I have mentioned, we have three trading opportunities. Okay. So before jumping to the opportunities, let me talk about the chart of this US dollar DXY. As we all know, after the US inflation report, US dollar started going up again. There was a sharp bullish run on the chart of USD, and if you have watched my earlier videos, then I clearly mentioned that after the bull run we will be having some correction. Yes, right now you can see that we are having some correction on the chart of DXY. Do not consider this as a trend reversal. My dear friends, always keep in mind, for a trend reversal we need an inverted V pattern. Unless we get an inverted V pattern, we will still be considering this as a retracement. Okay, so right now there is a correction going on, and as we all know, if dollar goes up, Euro USD goes down, or when dollar goes down, we see Euro USD going up. So there is a possibility here that Euro DXY, yes, DXY will be coming down to the level of 95 and bounce, because it is the 95.50 and bounce, because this is a Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So if it comes down to a level of 23.6% level and bounces, do not be surprised, because what is the trend of DXY here? DXY is extremely bullish right now. US dollar is extremely bullish, and in my earlier videos also I have shown you that we do not have any proper resistance on the chart of US dollar. So there's a very good possibility of US dollar bouncing from this particular level of 95.50, and if it bounces again, we will see fresh selling on Euro USD. Now this is the chart of Euro USD 4-hour chart, my favorite time frame. So first of all, let's talk about the trend of the market. What is the trend here? You can easily see the trend of the market is towards the downside, and as we all know, trend is our friend, and the thumb rule of the market, the basic rule of the market is follow the trend. It means that if a market is in downtrend, look for selling opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, look for buying opportunities. And the reason is that, let's assume there are 100 traders in a market right now. If there are 100 traders in the market right now, then at least 90 big traders who are driving the market are on the sell side, whereas only 10 big traders or 10 or 5 big traders are on the buy side. So if you are buying right now, that means that you are siding with the 10 traders on instead of these 90 traders. Okay, so that's why following the trend is extremely important. So what should be your trading strategy then? First of all, sell at the trend line. Yes, as the market is in downtrend, definitely we will be having a resistance, and as I always say, always find out the area of value. And in my hundreds of videos I have mentioned that the area of value in a downtrend market is always at the resistance. So if market goes up and reverses from this trend line, you can take a sell position, and that is your first trading opportunity. If market reverses from the trend line, if market breaks the trend line and starts going up, because yes, the chart of DXY, remember, if DXY continues to go down, and therefore there will be market will Euro USD will be breaking the trend line, will start going up, then we have a good chance of shorting or taking a sell position Euro USD at 1.1365, this particular level, 1.1365. Not because that this is a Fibonacci retracement level. Yes, this is a Fibonacci retracement level, plus this previously this level was the support. And as we all know, support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. So this level will be the new resistance for the market. Not a very strong one, but still this will be acting as a support, a resistance. So Fibonacci plus resistance. So we have a good combination here. There is a good possibility of market going down from this level if Euro USD climbs to the level of 1.1365. and this is our second trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if market fails to go up, if we see Euro USD fails go up, and if it starts coming down, then what you can do is you can take a sell position below either this level, or you can take a sell position either below this level. Listen to me careful, things are about to get complicated. So if you take a sell position below this level, 1.1295, if you take a sell position below this level, just keep in mind that you need to exit by 1.1265. okay, this will be your take profit target if you take a sell position below this level. But if market sees some heavy selling, if market witnesses some heavy selling, fresh selling in the market, what you can do is you can take a sell position below 1.1260. yes, because that will be new selling in the market, and already we know that Euro USD has touched the 52 weeks low. So therefore, if Euro USD breaks this level, 1.1260 level, there will be fresh selling in the market and you can take a sell position. But if you want to go for scalping, if you're taking a sell position here, you need to exit here, because there is a possibility of market reversing also. Okay, so these are the three trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Plus, I also share 2-3 live signals per day. So if you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, then please go to my website avilashhajarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. What are the benefits of Pro Trader program, how this program works, and everything. If you're interested, do check the page. That's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.